It looks like the B-21 Raider is moving fast from being just a cool prototype to a real deal part of the fleet. Believe it or not, we might actually see it ready for action as early as next year. Usually, test planes are a bit different from the final versions, but this time around, the Air Force built the first batch to be mission ready from day one. This usable asset plan means the planes currently flying around Edwards Air Force Base can be switched over to combat mode in a heartbeat if things get dicey. Plus, with a bunch of new funding coming in for 2026, it's clear the Pentagon isn't just dreaming. The Raider is becoming a reality. Strategically speaking, this plane is basically built to sneak into no-go zones. It's specifically made to slip through the high-tech defense bubbles that China has been working on for years. As the world's very first 6th-gen aircraft, it's not just a bomber. It's a flying data hub that can talk to all sorts of other systems. In the Indo-Pacific, its main job would be to take out important targets, like command centers or naval bases, without ever being seen. This basically makes the massive Pacific Ocean feel a whole lot smaller, letting the US operate in areas that used to be considered way too risky. As you might expect, Beijing has a lot to say about all this, and it's a mix of no big deal and watch out. Their state media likes to shrug it off, saying the US won't be able to afford enough of these planes to really change anything. At the same time, some of their researchers claim they've already found weak spots in the B-21's design using computer models. But here's the thing, China is also working super hard on their own stealth bomber, the H-20 and new anti-stealth radars. That tells us they actually take the Raider very seriously and are scrambling to figure out how to stop it. The biggest hotspot right now is the Taiwan Strait, and the B-21 is expected to be a major player there. The Air Force is already getting the Raider ready to use quick-sink bombs. These are cheap but super accurate weapons designed to take down huge ships. By having a stealthy way to deal with an invasion fleet, the B-21 really shakes things up for Chinese planners. They now have to face the fact that their priciest warships could be sunk by a plane they never even saw on their screens. As we get closer to that first deployment, the Raider is definitely raising the stakes in the Pacific.